What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, coming with another video. And hopefully everybody's doing great. But before I talk about what I want to talk about, remember my mission in life is to serve 1 billion people through meditation and yogi sciences. And hopefully everybody's doing great. My goal is to have a video and have 1 billion people at one time meditating at one time. All at the same time, even if you're in the West Coast, Western, Eastern Hemisphere, North, South, at the equator, not at the equator, wherever you're at. My mission is to have 1 billion people meditating at one time. Even if it's for like 10, 30 minutes. Imagine that. And all meditating at the same time. Imagine how great that would be. But my minimalism edition is going great. It's going to be a lot of things still that I got to get rid of. But like I said, we're June 4th. By the time this time next year, a lot of this stuff will be gone. A lot of clothes, a lot of sneakers, and then little by little, I'm selling a lot. Put it in on eBay and just getting rid of it. DVDs, all that. All this is gonna be gone. Stuff is just gonna be gone, and I can't wait. I even got my brother, when he gets back, he travels a lot, so when he gets back, his stuff is going to be gone soon. And little by little, we're getting there. But what I really want to talk about today is minimalism and suffering. And I believe practicing minimalism helps suffering. The reason why a lot of people suffer is because we crave things. People crave things, and that's what brings people to suffering. I mean, we can go into a third world country, and it's probably the opposite, that they're in a place that we're not. And I'm talking about, here in America, Canada, probably some places in Europe and stuff like that, Africa. People like to show videos of Africa about them being broke and stuff, but them motherfuckers over there got money. Don't let these videos, them motherfuckers in Africa got money. So don't let that shit try to lie to you talking about they ain't got money. Them motherfuckers got money. And I'm not even gonna say that. And even the people in the Middle East and shit like that, they got money. So don't let that shit fool you. But there are places where people are suffering, not because they crave things, it's because people take shit from them, and people destroy the land, and people steal, and people rob. If you haven't read the book, The Economic Hitman, it explains all that stuff. I'll put The Economic Hitman in my description box so you can read the book. The Economic Hitman, that shit is a great book. If you want to read it, I'm going to put it in my description. But what I want to talk about is suffering from craving things. We got people right now in prison, rapists who crave women they can't have. We have murderers who kill people because they robbing them and they can't get what they can't get the stuff that they want themselves, so they crave somebody else's things, and they kill them. And they're doing life in prison. There's people right now who's in prison for killing somebody over I bet you there's somebody who's in prison who killed somebody over a penny, over $1. There's people in prison right now who kill somebody for no reason, just because they wanted to, and they just wanted to be in prison. So the reason why most people are suffer is because they craving the things that they can't have, because they're not willing to put in the work to get what they can't have. So they suffer because there's always going to be a how you say it, there's going to be a what's the word, I can't remember the word. I should start writing this shit down, but this shit just starts flowing. It just starts freestyling and stuff like that. But the reason why people suffer is because, like I said, they suffer because they want things they can't have, and they want things the simple and easy way. Just like a microwave, it's simple, you can cook food, but is that food that you cook in the microwave good for you? That microwave mindset, that microwave society that we're getting in closer and closer, where you can make some type of food and just have it like that, is the reason why people are suffering. Health is suffering because of just poor ways of cooking. Just, like I said, just using the microwave that I barely use. I might use a microwave once or twice a year, if that, because the apartment that we rent is there. I'm not really a cook, but I just don't use the microwave like that. I'd rather put it in the oven, and it's even better like that. So like I said, suffering is the cause of wanting more than you need, and wanting more than you really yourself are trying to work for, and not getting there. And we spend and we spend and we overspend, and we live above our means, and we do stupid shit, and that's the reason why we suffer. And this minimalism lifestyle is helping me, and it's just getting me to the mindset where I don't need shit. All I need is food and food. I mean, I don't need a lot of shit, and just going through that journey is helping me a lot, and I'm glad that I finally went in 100% and just like, you know what, I'm gonna live this minimalism life. Fuck the shoes, fuck the clothes, because at the end of the day, when we die, you can't take none of that shit with you. Number two, people are gonna fight for it when you die. There's people out there who die, and people right now are fighting for their things. Oh, I need it, I want it. Fuck that shit. I'm not leaving shit. If I do have kids, I'll leave them a will. Remember, you have to create a will. Create a will and just leave them money. Don't leave them things, because just leave them money and make sure you leave the money the right way, and real estate and a business and stuff like that. I'm not leaving them no Burberry shoes. I'm not leaving them no Jordans. I'm not leaving them none of that shit, because I'm not buying it, and all that shit is getting thrown away. So we suffer, like I said, because we are craving things. Humans suffer because they crave drugs also. Craving drugs make a whole group of people just suffer because they need that high. They need that, and they're always chasing that first high that they had the first time, when they can't really achieve that high when, you know, crack cocaine and heroin and meth and whatever they use, they're chasing that high, and they keep chasing and chasing. And some people don't care. They're gonna live their life like that, and some people are just really addicted to it. So you have to choose in what you crave. Do you crave not having shit, or do you crave having something? Do you crave the urge to go take drugs, or do you crave not to go take drugs? Are you willing to are you willing to take something else rather than do drugs, or choose something healthier, you know, rather than go do the crack, the cocaine, and stuff like that? So like I said, the reason why the world in general is suffering, because they're craving what they can't have, or they craving things, they craving materialistic things that they can't take with them, and they're sad, and they're just full of shit because they want things. What is it? What else? I mean, pair of sneakers. They want a pair of sneakers, boom. And these I'm not wearing, I'm trying to sell them. But people kill for these. People kill for these pair of shoes. People kill for a pair of Jordans. The reason why they're on here, I'm not wearing them. I'm selling them actually, and somebody did buy them, but they didn't have the money. So you know what? I'm not sending them to you. So I still gotta clean them up too. But people kill for Jordans. There's people dead because of J's, and there's people in prison who kill somebody over J's. So that's my video today. The reason why we suffer is because we crave too much things. We craving things. Even men who cheat on their wives, or wives who cheat on their husbands because they craving sex from the opposite person, and all these things, and they ruin their life, and they lose their kids because they're craving sex from somebody else, because they're not achieving what they want from that person. So craving things is the reason why we suffer. Thank you for watching my video, and once again, I'm going to leave you with my mission statement. I'm going to serve 1 billion people through meditation and yogi sciences. Thank you for watching my videos. Peace. And remember, in the description box, The Economic Hitman, a great book. I'm going to have other books by that Nipsey Hussle recommended is also down there. Another book I'm going to put down there is The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Get your finances correct. Learn about credit, and thank you for watching my videos. And if you do want your credit fixed, I'll fix it for cheap. I'll do like a yearly thing. Just email me at mrhiphopvegan@gmail. I'm gonna change all that because I'm building my website now, and I'm gonna get a better email address, a legit email address. I'm gonna have my info at mrhiphopvegan.com. I'm not gonna have that generic mrhiphopvegan@gmail.com anymore. So if you do need anything, like I said, email me at mrhiphopvegan@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and spread this across the world, because together we're going to have 1 billion people meditating at one time. Once again, we're going to have 1 billion people meditating at one time. Thank you for watching my video.